Hey everyone, I'm Alex. As a master black belt trainer, I see a ton of organizations get tripped up by one single question. What's the real difference between Lean Six Sigma and Kaizen? It sounds simple, right? But trust me, getting this wrong can bring your improvement efforts to a dead stop. So let's dive in and get this cleared up once and for all. I see it all the time. Companies throwing money and people at the wrong approach because they think these two terms mean the same thing. And look, this isn't just a minor mix-up. It's a critical mistake that can completely derail an entire improvement program. Think of these as two completely different but equally powerful tools in your toolbox. The trick is knowing exactly which one to pull out and when. All right, so first things first, let's get our definitions straight. Before we can even talk about how they work together, we need to be absolutely crystal clear on what each one is by itself. Okay, notice the key word here, philosophy. Kaizen literally means change for the better. This is not a project with a start and end date. It's a culture, a way of thinking that you build into the DNA of your company. It's all about empowering everyone, and I mean everyone, from the CEO down to the person on the shop floor, to make small, steady improvements every single day. The whole point is teamwork and building up this unstoppable momentum through lots of little wins. Now let's flip over to Lean Six Sigma. And you see the word here is methodology. This is a whole different beast. It's a highly structured, data-heavy approach. It takes Lean's laser focus on killing waste and combines it with Six Sigma's statistical muscle for just crushing defects. You don't just launch a Lean Six Sigma project based on a gut feeling. No way. You use cold, hard data and statistical analysis to dig down to the root cause of a very specific problem, and then you solve it permanently. Okay, so we've got our textbook definitions, right? One's a broad philosophy, the other's a precise methodology. But to really make this stick, I've got a simple analogy I always use. And for most people, this is the aha moment where it all finally clicks into place. So how are you going to remember which is which when you're back in a meeting tomorrow and trying to explain this? It's easy. Just think sniper versus shotgun. Think about it like this. Kaizen is your shotgun. It's designed to create a wide spread of small improvements. It's perfect for hitting a large area and driving that broad cultural change across a whole team or department. Lean Six Sigma, that's your sniper rifle. It's a high-powered precision tool that you use to take careful aim at one single, complex, high-value problem and take it out with statistical certainty. And this table just breaks it down perfectly. See? Kaizen's approach is philosophical, it's team-based, it's the shotgun blast, improving the whole system with things like suggestion boxes and 5S. Lean Six Sigma, on the other hand, is methodical. It's all about the data. It's the sniper shot, using frameworks like DMEC and heavy-duty stats to solve one specific problem. Even their goals are different. Kaizen is after continuous, incremental change, while Lean Six Sigma is there to completely eliminate defects and waste. Now, after all that talk about snipers and shotguns, you might be thinking you have to pick a side. But here's the most important thing I'm going to tell you today. Don't choose. The smartest, most successful companies out there know this isn't a competition. They use both to build a truly complete system for improvement. That's right, they don't contradict each other at all. They actually complete each other. You unlock peak performance when you combine them. Think of it this way. Kaizen builds that everyday culture of improvement, which is what helps you spot the really big, hairy problems. And then, Lean Six Sigma gives you the heavy-duty toolkit you need to actually solve them. Let me give you a real-world example of how this plays out. Let's say a black belt leads a big 6-month Lean Six Sigma project. That's your sniper shot, to fix a massive production bottleneck. Well, during that deep statistical dive, the team almost always uncovers like a dozen smaller, simpler opportunities for improvement. So instead of launching more huge projects, they use the Kaizen philosophy, the shotgun blast, to empower the frontline teams to quickly knock out those smaller fixes and keep that amazing momentum going. So, at the end of the day, it all comes down to using the right tool for the right job. You have to ask yourself, what am I trying to do? Do I need to build a lasting culture of improvement and empower my teams to make fast, simple fixes? That's your shotgun. Go with Kaizen. Or are you facing a super complex, high-cost problem that absolutely needs a precise, data-backed solution? Well, that's a job for your sniper rifle. That's Lean Six Sigma. So you get the difference. You see how they can work together in this really powerful way. The question now is, what's your next step on this path to excellence? It all boils down to this, really.
If you only use Kaizen, you're going to struggle to solve your most complex, deep-rooted problems. And if you only use Lean Six Sigma, you'll never build the kind of culture you need for that change to actually stick. True, sustainable operational excellence requires mastering both the shotgun and the sniper rifle.
So start your journey. Get the training you need to really master both of these approaches. Become the expert that your organization needs. The person who knows exactly when to encourage that wide shotgun blast of ideas and when it's time to bring out the sniper rifle for a precision strike. To check out all the certifications from yellow belt all the way up to master black belt, just visit us at sixsigmadsi.com. Thanks for watching.